Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this very stupid program using Python. So where is it? Let me get it. And what it says is Привет agent, which is hello agent. Какое у тебя пароль, which means what is your password. And here, unfortunately, you can't say any keys. So what the password actually is ADMIN, and it says probably parole, which basically means correct password. Now, how is this possible using just Python? Well, it's not. You have to use Pygame, which it seems like, well, this is not a game, but actually all you do use Pygame to create this. So as you can see, there is some code here which I've written, and you can see, oh, this is what we saw. Now, we're not actually, as you can see, import Pygame as PG, pg.initialize and pg.font initialize. So what that means is that import Pygame, but we're not actually going to say Pygame, we're just going to say PG. It just simplifies it. Now, down here is the huge kernel. I like to call it a kernel because it has tons of ifs. Now, as you can see, there's keys pressed all everywhere. So you can also see the text tree, which is text up here for which is actually what's going to show for the text. What's going to show for the text? You can see up there, down here. What I don't even. Well, font tree is up here. Text tree is up here, and over here it just adds it just shows string keys pressed in for your text tree, so you can see what you're actually writing down. Now, backspace, if I show you, is not actually backspace, because if we put in actually the only things you can only letters you can write is ADMIN. So if you try to put down U or H or any other letter other than ADMIN, it's not going to work. So therefore, if you're looking for codes, and you can kind of see, oh, it's centered. If you're looking for passwords that contain the word ADMIN, how many you have to sort through. If we find it, you can easily go onto a calculator, and you can write 5, which is how many letters we have. Actually, it's either how many letters we have or which letters are we going to change to the power of 5. How many letters we have or how many you're going to change. That is equal to 3,125. So you would have to go sort through 3,125 codes until you find the right one, and it's going to say prevalently parole, which means correct password. Now, you might have already noticed what it says up here, KGB-SpySoftware by StalinSoft. That's because I saw this video for Windows Soviet. And you can easily see StalinSoft. And here you can see StalinSoft. So that's just meant to be a reference to Windows Soviet. And that's one thing I should write down for Windows Soviet. Now, if you were to download this, which you can't actually, but let's say you were to download this, what would you see would be Windows protected your PC, if you're on a Windows computer, but I think you need to be on a Windows computer to run it because it's .exe. But anyway, you have to be on a Windows computer to run this. And it'll always say Windows protected your PC, and you just say more info, and you say just run anyway because it's no virus. It's just a bit of fun. Now, if I were to change this Avast, well, whatever my antivirus is, Avast, I would say, oh, it's so secure and everything. Just say trust it, because it's not bad at all. It's just this. And you may be wondering, well, we started from this file. And you can easily see it comes with a console, and you don't see that this is a KGB logo here. And that's because we're running on Python. And the exe has a icon of KGB, so that's what it says. You can see there's a console as well, and Pygame community. What I actually used was Pyinstaller. So I just open PowerShell and say Pyinstaller. It's still my memory apparently. Pyinstaller dash W actually says, yo, I want to haven't scripted this video by the way. Dash W says I don't want to see a console. Dash F, it's just for convenience. So in the disk you won't see tons of other files. And dash I is to add an icon, because as you can see there is a link, not a link, but a sort of a path to icon.ico. And if we view this image, you can see this beautiful image. KGB is very low quality though, because it's an ICO. So that's basically it, and yeah, I guess and you have KGB-SpySoftware or whatever. Now, as you see, it's not actually showing here the logo, but it's showing down my taskbar, and believe it or not, there is no console. It's just this. As we were to say, if we were actually, we can just do it. If we delete this or move that, we go and say on PowerShell window here, and just don't do dash W, just do dash F and dash I. You're to see all of this changes. Well, not changes, but see a bunch of complicated text. Oh, and it's already done. Didn't even notice that. Anyway, we can close this and go to dist. And you can see that there's a console. So you can see that console up here. And it's kind of annoying, really. Like, if, well, you can actually see all the codes. So, right, admin, print it to console, everything. And just print it to console. And it says correct password. But that's for amateurs. We use real interfaces. Well, not with DOS anymore. Sorry. But anyway, that's that. Now, oh, application. It's .exe. Now, and you probably know .exes are bad. Some of them are, but this one's not. I may put a download link in the description of this video if I want to. Anyway, I don't want to see that stupid thing, so we're just gonna convert it. I want to see the console. Just convert it, and now we go into it. And this is the error that I'm talking about. It's not really an error. Oh. Okay. My computer went to like 2 FPS there. But anyway, as you can see, it appears. Yes, apparently Pro. And there's a bit of an issue sometimes if you were to type in, say, D, it's just gonna crash. And you can try for yourself. You can do it really, but I'm gonna try. So it won't crash my computer because I'm recording. Basically that's it. And then you can see all of this. Oh, that's from earlier. Build KGB-SpySoftware. You can see all of this, but that does not matter at all. So I may put a download link in the description. Thank you for watching this short, stupid video. I'll see you later. Bye.